Hello, welcome back to NBA Simulation Game, free winning guide and helpful tips to win the top results. Cesim Global Challenge. You can check the top 10 winning tips in the other videos, or check the other video for winning tip number 1, number 2, winning tip number 3, number 4, and now this video focus on round 1 to round 3. Check the demand for each region. Calculate the sales forecast, check the network coverage, forecast, calculate the demand, right? I show you now. First, we check the demand so we check the market outlook to see the increase, and also check the demand here. So we can see the demand increased about 200 in USA. The demand increased in here about 200 in China market. And in Europe also increase, not too much, so you should check that. And also, if you remember in the first video, we can check the number you need to be sold last round here, 4,000, and then you check the demand increase here, 4,200. So you can do that, calculate to get the sales forecast. And also check network coverage, forecast, calculate the demand. Yeah, you see that in this, look at this, we see the demand for Tech 3 and Tech 4 is increasing, electric and hydrogen cars increasing, but not too much in round 1, 2, and 3, and 4. From round 5, we can start that new production of new technologies. You see that? Okay, from round 5. So in round 1, 2, 3, and even 4, we can keep production of combustion and hybrid cars. If you have any questions, send the email to cesim2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.